people! Good afternoon, guys! Today is Tuesday and nag-work ako kanina ng 7 to 12. And then, 5 hours lang dapat ako. Yeah, actually 5 hours lang ako. And then, yung mga, I think 10 o'clock yata yun ng umaga na nag-message sa akin yung friend ko na, ano ba yung na-message niya sa akin na, saan ba daw pala ako? Sabi ko na sa trabaho extra. Tapos, sabi niya hanggang anong oras? Sabi ko 12. Tapos kung may pupuntahan daw ba ako after 12? Sabi ko wala naman. Sabi niya magkita daw kami. Ano lang ba? Yung hangout. So, sabi ko naka-uniform ako. Pahiramin mo ako ng damit. Sabi ko kaya naka-uniform ako. Pahiramin mo ako ng damit. Sabi niya, sunduin mo lang ako dito, tapos sunduin mo lang ako sa bahay, din mag-blue band tayo.
Blue band ka mo?
Tapos, okay, sabi ko, okay, I will pick you up there, and then uwi dito sa bahay, and then mag-drive sa blue band. Then nag-change mind kami, then sa Oxbow, sarado man. So, ayun, then, nung nakita namin close, nagpunta kami ng Bardi, then doon kami na lang nag-upo.
Ilas Coffee Shop?
No, nasa Ilas Coffee Shops. It's like, something sa gilid ng Sepnotic.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yan. So, dun kami, nagtakos kami with chicken and, yung cheese. Malaki siya ang portion. Di namin naubos. Parang kalahati lang naubos namin. And then, iced coffee with, pangit na. Iced coffee with hazelnut la. Ano sa English yan?
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut, yeah. And then siya, coffee, iced coffee with chocolate naman siya. So, yun. Pakita ko yung video. I mean, yung picture na namin. So, ngayon na kami, ayun lang ako umuwi. So, parang sinatid ko lang siya doon. Ay, sinundo ko siya doon. Umuwi kami dito, and then bumalik doon. Crazy.
Can you cut my hair?
Wait. And now guys, ilang araw na to sa bahay, hindi ko siya na-unbox. Ngayon mag-unbox tayo.
Ako na lang.
No, it's mine. Actually, nag-sale siya kasi susubukan ko siyang, can I have scissor? Okay lang.
We did that.
Nag-sale siya guys, binili ko siya sa magazine. Make-up siya. Ano na lang kasi siya.
Wear makeup?
Ay, hala. Ano to? May nabasa ba?
My turn to act.
Bigas.
Are you scared?
So, ito. Niya is Face Sculptor 3-in-1 palette. Tatlo siyang klase na iba-ibang kulay. Ano yan? Ito siya guys, from Isadora. Ito.
I'm so annoyed because not because we're going to the beach, it's because most of my students are in the Philippines.
So, ito siya. 3-in-1 palette. Insa.
I know, but the pretty ones are over there.
Yan. Isadora. Yan. Kasi nag-sale na lang siya. Bumili ako ng 3. Parang same. Hindi. Kasi to siya eh. Ang nito is warm fits. Ito naman is Mauve Classic. And ito naman is Cool Pink. Yun. Kasi na siya eh, pang 3-in-1. Matagal na to, hindi ko siya lang na-unbox dahil wala akong time. Boss, kalduhin mo. Yes, can you, tapon? And, where are you going, Mas? Ihaw. Yes, ay.
I wanna go to Japan.
So, Japan.
Gusto naman mag-acto sa beach next week. Kami ni 4.
Yeah, but how? What time?
Depends on the weather.
Yeah, depends on weather.
Lagang nagahon.
And ayun guys, nag-apply na kami pala ng
Let's get
ano,
to work this time,
ako nag-apply na ako ng PR, residence permit.
Yeah, men. Yo, men.
And nasend ko na, so mayroon na kaming picture and fingerprints sa 15 of August. And then sila nag-apply na din
No?
ng
Wala.
renewal
Yes.
ng visa. And meron akong tawag dito. May isisend akong additional, yung guarantee na pera. Ayan, so ilagay mo nga doon, no? Kunin mo to, be, oh. Kunin mo na to dito. Kaysa maano ko yan. Ito pa yun sa...
11 fail ay kuya. Out of 25 ko na.
Actually, hindi ako marunong mag-ano, guys. Hindi ako marunong mag-make. Talaga.
Ma, don't get distracted.
Oh my God.
You gotta cut my hair.
Oh my God. Diyan mo kasi nilagay.
I think that was my fault.
Ambe, lagyan. Gupitin ta. Tara.
Kalbuhan ka na naman niya.
Anong klaseng gupit?
Gupet, malupet.
Ano kami daw ngayon? Mongolian grill. Anong klaseng gupit?
Just normal. Just.
Saan yung scissor mo?
Ay!
Yung scissor.
What is that? Is this Botox?
Botox.
Botox.
Ano? Botox? Alin?
Tsura mo bulog.
Yeah. It's right here.
Kapas na kita?
No? Anong klase?
My, just gonna cut my split ends.
Split ends lang? Paano?
Cut it, just normal, just.
Yeah, you're...
What you mean? Itag-uran ko or what?
Yeah.
Instead of your hair growing fast, you're just cutting it.
Well, still, I want it cut because of the split ends.
What man split ends?
Yeah,
Yes, there
that
is.
means you need to grow it again.
Mhm.
Yeah. What's the point if you want to grow your hair?
Because of the split ends, ko, it's so ugly.
Saan?
How can you even notice
Oh
that?
my god, doesn't matter, ko. Most girls.
It doesn't matter how good it's because you thought split ends prevent growing your hair, but you messed up. You misunderstood it wrong.
Hindi, kailangan mag-grow. Kailangan mong gapitan ng 1 inch lagi. 1 inch.
Not too much, ma. You guys are giving me bad energy.
Ay, kumaman ka.
Ano yan? Iyo ko?
Huh?
Paano ko iyo?
Mm.
Kasi nakayuman yung buhok mo.
Ay, yung video, right?
Yeah. Yes, of course.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy.
Hi. Kailangan ko ng ibang na kalasing kwan. Suklay.
Do you have one?
Yung straight. Yung straight na suklay. Need ko. Meron ka?
Shit.
Pagka ka, meron ka? Yung
Ito?
straight, oo.
Nagharoon din yung mga
Mos. Skal vi ha glat hår igen?
Kan du godt lide glatt hår?
Kasi off
Du bliver 10 år yngre med et.
Buy me the iron so I can iron my hair on the in
Mas namin pa do curl.
Mos, hvornår skal vi grille?
Kung saan mo mag-straight hair yun.
Okay.
Ang banana, then she will look 10 years younger.
Ano man naman, messy ro ano naman sa buhok.
Buhok.
Fully maintained.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for